you're encountering the login failure error 2025 in League of Legends, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to ensure that the servers are online and not undergoing maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they're back up. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and restart it. This can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your League of Legends client is fully updated. Open the client and allow it to download any available updates, as outdated versions can lead to login issues. Step 4. Repair the client. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Go to the settings menu, select Initiate Full Repair, and follow the prompts. This process can fix corrupted files that may be causing the error. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking League of Legends. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the login issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the login failure error 2025 and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.